Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the best text to voice AI converting tool. So the name of the tool is Lavan Labs. Just go to Google and type Lavan Labs. You'll be getting the first link, lavanlabs.io. Just select that, and here we'll be having a space where we want to paste our text. So I'll just paste my text, just a random essay, and I will just click on play.
Global warming, often referred to as climate change.
So you can hear it right. This instantly converts our text to voice, and we are having these many voices available. And in case if you are wondering, this allows only 300 characters. You can just sign up, and once you sign up, you will be able to add around 10,000 characters for free, and the limit is going to be 2,500 characters per instance. So for example, I'm having this over here, and if I just click on generate,
warming, often referred to as climate change,
so I'm getting the voice over here.
Is a critical environmental issue that has captured the world's
this is fine. And in case if you want to download this as an MP3 file, you can just click this, and here you'll be having an option to download. If you just click on this, your file will be getting downloaded, and even if you unsign it, you'll be having here a download option. If you click on this, your audio will be downloaded. And we have so many settings over here. One is we have these many voices available. You can choose based upon your use case. We have the genre of that voice, and whether it's a female or male voice. So you have so many things for so many topics. And we also have so many languages. These many languages are available for us to choose from. And we have the voice settings, the stability, the clarity, speaker boost, the slowness, the voice that we are speaking. So we have so many options available in this for free. And in case if you want to see the pricing, so these are the prices it's available. I think the creator one is for $22 per month, and I think it's reasonable. It's not too high. So this is it, guys. This is basically the best tool I have found online with so many useful features. I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of programming videos and AI related videos. Check them out. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.